Because here's the truth, when you ask better questions, you get better answers. Now, let's say you're stuck in between two different decisions. Let's just, for example, you're questioning whether or not you should raise your pet sitting prices. What you want to do in this kind of scenario is to ask a yes or no question and ask two or more of them so that you can get more of a like a double or triple confirmation. For example, you could say, will it be better if I raise my rates? And the second question you can ask is, will it be worse if I raise my rates? Now, if you get a yes, it will be better if you raise your rates, and you get a no, it will be worse if you raise your rates, you have double confirmation that yes, you probably should raise your rates. Just remember that the yes or that no can come through in any of the clear modalities. You could hear it, you could see it, you could smell it. You might smell something that is of a pleasant smell. That might be a sign that it's a yes. You might smell something that is an unpleasant smell, and that could be a sign it is no. However, the messages come through to you, just beware that it could come in a variety of different ways. Now, if you're looking for more of a general guidance or message to come through and you don't have a specific yes or no question to ask, then what you want to do is make sure you go clear your energy in one of the ways discussed previously, and then go into like a nature walk or a meditation, but go into it with a specific intention. You can even ask a open-ended question. And some questions that might be good are things like, what do I need to know right now? You could ask a question that has something to do with your pet business, like what direction is for my highest good in my pet business? You could ask things like, what will I learn from this experience? You might be having a challenge in your business where you're working all the time, or you realize that you have a people pleasing issues and you're always saying yes. You could ask the universe, what can I learn? What will I learn from this experience? Going into a meditation or a nature walk, and then just be open for guidance. You can even ask something as general as, what messages do you have for me today? Or what do I need to know today? Is there anything I need to know today? I find that the universe is happy when you are asking for guidance, when you're asking for their assistance, because I feel like our higher self, our angels, or our guides are out there trying to help us, and we're just not leaning on them as much as we possibly could be. I know I forget all the time. So you could ask something as simple as, hey, what is something important that you want me to know? Or what is something important in my pet business that you think